Hi, this tour is presented by Cindy Bishop. Welcome to the visual tour of this property. Please call me or your agent if you would like your own personal tour of this property or have any questions concerning this property of any real estate needs. This beautiful and unique carriage house style home for the over 55 plus lifestyle is an excellent choice for you. Admire the wood floor entry, open floor plan which features the dining room and living room with upgraded chair railing, crown molding, newer carpet, tall windows and 9-foot ceilings. The fully appointed kitchen has the warm wood cabinets, plenty of storage and countertop area, a wonderful eat-in kitchen, refrigerator, dishwasher, and self-cleaning oven, and a sunny window alcove for your kitchen table. There is the first floor laundry, full-size washer and dryer and a 2-car garage. 3 bedrooms each have their own full baths and commodious room sizes and large closets. Venturing out to your backyard, enjoy your cement patio with the privacy break and the automatic retractable awning. Plenty of parking and right next to your lot is the convenient visitor parking. Your back property joins the paved walking trail. Convenient location to the train, shopping, eateries and more.